At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and platform, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. After certain traumatic events, individuals with PTSD might grapple with agitation, anxiety, recklessness, and trouble concentrating, among many others. Standard methods for treating and managing PTSD include exposure therapy, where the individual is gradually exposed to the source of their trauma, and cognitive behavioral therapy, where the behavior and thoughts are reframed through talk therapy. While the formerly mentioned treatments are widely used, another approach to treating PTSD is called skills training in affective and interpersonal regulation. Narrative therapy is used. STAIR therapy is a narrative therapy that focuses on skills training to help individuals with PTSD develop and strengthen interpersonal skills and emotional regulation. STAIR therapy is a multi-component therapy phase-based treatment. It begins with skills training in affective and interpersonal regulation, lasting up to 10 sessions. During this phase, social and emotional competencies are rehabilitated or strengthened. The 10 sessions are divided into 2, with 5 sessions allocated each to emotional regulation and enhancing social and relational capacities. Following this is the narrative therapy phase, a modified version of exposure therapy that concentrates on making meaning from the client's trauma stories. This phase spans 8 weekly sessions. In total, STAIR narrative therapy consists of 18 sessions. STAIR therapy involves various interventions for its component. Beginning with interventions for emotion regulation, they encompass the following. Tracking emotions daily. The intervention involves monitoring the patient's daily emotional experience. Practicing emotion regulation strategies. This involves employing strategies like soothing senses, thought shifting, and positive activities. Developing distress tolerance for valued goals. This includes building resilience and perseverance in the face of emotional challenges to continue pursuing essential objectives. Meanwhile, for the relational capacities part, interventions include practicing interpersonal skills. This intervention includes engaging with others and standing on one's ground with compassion. Cognitive reappraisal about oneself and others. The focus is on reframing thoughts and perceptions related to oneself and others more positively or constructively. Cognitive reappraisal, not confrontational but aspirational. When approached aspirationally, it involves reinterpreting situations and beliefs to pursue personal growth and desired outcomes while acknowledging and validating old beliefs based on past experiences or trauma. To learn more about STAIR therapy, go to our Carepatron website or click on the link in the description. We have a range of guides and articles to help you learn more about different therapy techniques to incorporate into your practice. Carepatron is a healthcare platform designed for you. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this.